You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? This is a word from French, hence the very strange spelling, you could say. We're gonna get to how to pronounce it in English. French pronunciation, Legerdemain, meaning literally light of hand. The English pronunciation, however, is as Legerdemain. 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 Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. More videos coming up for you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.